Oh, Dr. Jan. These will turn you and your father's creation? Thomas? It's me, Lily. Lady is not dead. No, she is. I'll get you. And my father has been dead here. Hey, Stephanie. Where are we going? Out here. They must have gone over the biggest bridge and blocked it. Crap. What's going on, Thomas? Terrence, run! Trevor, here too. We meet again. Join me, Thomas. All engines go. What's happening? What? Ah! Whoa, what is this? Huh? We are a cartoon.
Indeed I did. And I know who's behind all of it. The man that built Henry.
Stop!
Apparently, Diesel has Percy and
Trevor, throw a rock!
He does? They're still alive? Thank God. But that means we'll be bringing them back. Yeah, we need to get out of here and hide. Right.
Reneus! Louis! Ah! Oh.
Hey, you two. What happened? The shed exploded and floated away.
Let's go.
The couple people then started fighting it up. Have you seen Boogie anywhere?
What's going on here?
Away from the Green Beaver. They were heading towards
Stop!
the sheds, if I'm not mistaken.
You, what can you... Oh! Let's go! Here comes Rosie.
We need to stay out of sight. Donald, take Toby to the old Kirk Ronin branch and hide him there. He's injured. Wait, we need to find Henry as a first. Oh no. And Annie and Clarabelle. I'll find them, I promise.
How dare you not help us, Daisy? Oh! Oh! Trevor! No! Stop!
Yes. If I don't make it back,
Stop!
I have full faith. No, please. I'm
Ah! Molly. Ah, my eye!
You're giving it to me? Yes.
What's going on here? I don't know.
Sweaty at the moment, but I'm doing well.
They might need our help. I don't think so. But you were good. It was an act. Don't you wanna join us? Who was this? This is he. So he bullied that bunny, and then he came back, and then he got sent away. He drank a check and drank a Florida. It was actually that's okay. Toby, you need to get out of here. Go to blow the TNT out. It's in your... Diesel! No, Diesel! No! What's going on? Ding, ding, ding. Oh, Cranky! Salty was able to pull him back up, but Salty couldn't get out. Ships were all over. And track. Oh no! can't just step in these black slime. We can't.
Don't.
The slime is intersecting. Ah! No! Get off, Lily. Come on. You're very fortunate in the Jimmy. The 80. Yeah. Becca. Thomas! Go up and scan this stuff. Percy! Get back to the world. Whoa.
Thank you, son. Are we all clear? Yes. I think I killed him. Good. Good. The floor's all up.
Ah! Leo, help, Thomas! On! Oh, man! We just got this place fixed with Rex! No one without me, woo, woo! Oh, man. We can still fix our realm. Way. Da da da. Da da da. Ba da ba. What's going on? Ah, ba da ba. Ba da ba. No, please, no. Ba da ba. Ba da ba. Ah, ba da ba. Ba da ba. Ba da ba. Flora, rescue all the people at the station. You all need to come with me. This place is blowing. We know. Oh no. No. Doggy. Together. Start holding it up with their tender. Hurry. Whistle as loud as you can, Jock. Come on, Trevor. Who are you? Hi. Who am I? Dennis. Rebuilt. He was killed me. Joined her. Dennis! No!
Let's go.
Oh! Thomas! What's going to happen? I don't know. This isn't over.
Where's Annie and Clarabelle? I left them with Henrietta. That black shunter took them and ran off with them. Diesel. So,
Ah! Oh no! No! Thomas! Percy! He's gone! Raymond, come with me! Okay, Percy. Beep, beep! Repair! Repair!
What? Oh no.
Repair!
I need one of
Repair.
out of there. I'll do it.
Everyone has been repaired.
What?
Ah!
Taking a break.
Oh! Rip! Ah!
Thomas, come with me. We're going to assist Gordon. Percy, help Douglas.
Ah!
Help them all up. Your after you've just been refilled. I'll take
Bash and battered
Perfect. Looks like I'm coming with you
by
guys.
the world.
Excellent. Come on, you two.
You can't join us! See, one done.
Fine. Come on.
I've done too much. I'm just spanking. Old stuck up. So I'll be.
Oh, you've got to be joking. Don't worry. I'll stay back. Okay. Thank you,
A huge splash of water. No. Is the chaos over? Great. Yes. See. Oh. You have to alert everyone at Tidmouth. What happened here? Diesel shaped us, but Diesel! I don't think he'll make it out alive. I'm alive. It fixed everything. But who's that? I'm Jet. Jet the Hawk. Ram, I warned you this was coming. He used to buy a plush of me.
Thanks, you two.
Now I run. Oh yeah! Into the board you go.
Edward, are you okay? You're shaking an awful lot.
Everything turned out normal except for
Edward,
Fred.
slow down. You're gonna hurt yourself. No,
You mean Frank?
leave it to me.
I shut up!
There you are.
You spoiled the moment. Foreshadowing. You're meta. Goodbye.
Edward.
Season 4 not over. Only beginning. Season 4B. Season 4B.
No offense for that.
Metal Raymond.
You there, small.
Okay, camera. You will come with me, Raymond. What's going on? Bleh. I'm still rabbit to me. What? Take this. My vision sensor.